Tired of juggling accounts? Today, we're unlocking hassle-free money movement as we show you exactly how to transfer funds from a Navy Federal account to another bank. First, let's explore the most common method. ACH Transfers. Log into your Navy Federal account through their website or mobile app. Once you're in, look for the Transfers or Send Money option, usually found in the main menu. Next, you'll need to link your external bank account. Click on Add Account or External Accounts. You'll be prompted to enter the routing number and account number of the bank you want to transfer. To double-check these numbers for accuracy, a typo can cause delays or even send your money to the wrong place. Navy Federal will then verify the account, often using micro-deposits. This means they'll send to small amounts, usually under $1. To your external account, check your external bank statement for these deposits and then enter the amounts back into Navy Federal to confirm ownership. Once your external account is verified, you're ready to transfer. Go back to the Transfers or Send Money section. Select your Navy Federal account as the source and your linked external account as the destination. Enter the amount you want to transfer and the desired date. Review all the details carefully before submitting your transfer. Pay attention to any fees that may apply and the estimated arrival time of the funds. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll typically receive a confirmation number for your records. For larger or more urgent transfers, consider a wire transfer. You'll find this option within the Transfers section as well. You'll need more detailed information, like the recipient bank's address and SWIFT code. Keep in mind that wire transfers usually involve higher fees than ACH transfers. Finally, don't forget about third-party services like Zelle or Venmo, if both banks support them, offering even quicker transfers. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from Navy Federal to another bank. We hope this made it easier to manage your funds. Like and subscribe for more helpful banking tutorials.